Well, we got nothing planned. There's just nothing exciting happening around Soledad Canyons. But we are skipping the hot tub this morning because it wasn't clean yesterday. So we'll check it out later on this afternoon after we have dinner and go for our walk. The birds, they're everywhere. There's so many crows just flying around here. We're trying to figure out what this is. Like, is it for like a fire jump?
Yeah, I think it's fire protection.
Yeah, some kind of fire protection. I think we're walking over this bridge.
You know why? Because they don't want this bridge to get burned up.
Yeah, they're trying to save the bridge in case of fire or something.
Yeah, it's expensive.
I don't see no water going on there, though.
No.
No, but they have that fire protection there, too. Yeah, I bet you exactly that's what that is.
Yeah, they don't want their bridge.
Apparently in July, this whole tent area looks like a desert, but in July it's completely filled up here. I believe it when it's nice and hot outside because the swimming pool is right there next to it, so it makes it convenient. Here's their tennis / pickleball court. Looks pretty nice. Upkept. Oh, they have a nice basketball courts too. Quite a few of them. Nice. That's a nice view of the mountain. So they have like this cafe and something else. I don't know. We're going to check it out right now.
Hi guys, how are you?
Good.
Walking off some lunch here.
Sorry?
Walking off some lunch.
Camp store.
See what's going on.
Oh, they have all kinds of stuff in here.
Nice out today.
Oh, they got ice cream. Boy, this is a big hall. Looks like this is left over from something. They have a big movie library. TVs. Ooh, foosball. Very nice. Piano in the corner. I like it. Oh yeah, disco ball. Ooh, the sky is so red. See if I go up the stairs here. There we go. It's gorgeous. The rest of the sky is just gray. I can hear the train on the other side there of the campground. But that redness is beautiful. There we go. All right. We did about a 3-mile walk. We walked the entire span of the park from our campsite all the way down to where they have the big clubhouse and camp store and all of that stuff, and then all the way back. So it's about 3.5 miles. It was a good walk, and we're tuckered out now. We're just chilling in the camper.
Annual enrollment period. There may be a plan available in your
Hi.
with benefits, but you won't know unless you
Did you like and subscribe?
number on your screen now.
Thanks!